All right, one of the movements is going to be the power snatch. Need your hands outside of your shoulders and overhead grip. We'll power snatch it up. Finishing position will be knees, hips, arms locked out, bar over your head, feet under you. Going to bring it back down. A squat snatch is acceptable. Just make sure you stand up fully. Just like I said, lock out knees, hips, arms, bar fully over your head. Something else that's not acceptable. If you snatch it up, you don't come to full extension, bring it back down. Alright, show me a good rep. Fully extend overhead, come back down and touch the ground. If you don't touch the ground, that's a no rep. The bar's got to touch the ground every time. Go ahead. Finish, fully extended overhead. Relax.